Good morning, children. Welcome back to my grammar class. In today's session, we are going to learn a new chapter in grammar, that is chapter number 20, joining words, or you can say conjunctions. Okay, dear children, there are three conjunctions, that is and, but, and, or. Okay, let's start today's session. First of all, let's understand what do you mean by conjunction. Okay, conjunctions. The word that joins words or two parts of a sentence is called conjunction. Conjunctions are joining words. They are also known as connecting words. They join words or group of words or short sentences in easy way. कंजक्शन मीन्स जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स, मतलब दो सेंटेंस को हम जॉइन करते हैं उसको हम बोलेंगे कंजक्शन, और यू कैन से जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एग्जाम्पल, देन ओनली यू कैन अंडरस्टूड वेल. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड थ्री conjunction, that is and, but, or, with some example. The first conjunction that we are going to learn is and. We use and to combine similar ideas or add information. Let's see this more about example. Okay, dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a clever animal. Here we are talking about dog and its quality. So when we join the sentence will be like this: dog is a faithful and clever animal. Okay, see, in this you can observe that dog is a faithful animal and dog is a clever animal. These are both two sentences, so we have to combine together. So how we will combine? Dog is a faithful and clever animal. Okay, let's see more example. The bird can fly. The bird can hop. In this sentence you might be observed that the bird can are similar in both the sentence, right? The bird can दोनों में similar है, तो हमें and कैसे यूज करना है? The bird can fly and hop. Okay, one more example. Tom loves to play cricket. Tom loves to play football. So in this sentence also you can observe that Tom loves to play, that is in both sentence it is similar. So just now what we had done, we had joined certain sentences with and when we join this sentence we have to remember thing that words Tom loves to play cricket, that are repeated twice. So when we join these sentences to make one sentence, we have to remove Tom loves to play and instead we will add an. Okay, Tom loves to play cricket and football. Okay, now let's see the second conjunction, that is but. Okay, we use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. Remember, but is used to show a difference or an idea. In this we are talking about opposite idea. Okay, here are some examples. Let's start. He hit the ball, he dropped the bat. Here you can see that opposite are ball and bat, that are opposite. Okay, so to form the sentence, how we can make this sentence? He hit the ball but dropped the bat. Okay, again I repeat, he hit the ball but dropped the bat. Now let's see the second one. Ram ran fast. He finished third in the race. Ram ran fast. Hence, we combine these two sentences. Our answer would be, here we are talking about opposite idea, right? So, when we combine these, our answer would be like that. Ram ran fast, but he finished third in the race. Okay. Let's see third conjunction, that is or. Okay. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. In this or we have the choice. Okay, let's see with the more examples. You can clear with some more examples. We can eat pizza, we can eat burger. यहाँ पे choices है कि pizza खाना है कि burger खाना है. तो how we will form the sentence? We can eat पिज़्ज़ा और बर्गर. ओके, यहाँ पे चॉइस दिया है. यहाँ पे चॉइसेस होती है कि एक या दो चीज़ों में चॉइस, ये खाना है कि पिज़्ज़ा खाना है कि बर्गर खाना है. ओके, लेट्स सी मोर एग्जांपल. डू यू वांट पिज़्ज़ा, डू यू वांट आइसक्रीम, डू यू वांट पिज़्ज़ा. हियर चॉइसेस इज बिटवीन आइसक्रीम एंड पिज़्ज़ा. सो व्हेन वी कंबाइन सेंटेंस, the answer will be, do you want ice cream or pizza? Okay. So children, in today's session what we learned that conjunctions are joining words. We have seen the usage of three conjunction, that is and, but, or. Okay, and is used to join similar ideas. We use but to join opposite ideas, and we use or whenever we want to make a choice. I hope you understood the video very well. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.